Y'all see these headlights? You may not be able to tell right now, but they look like booty. Now you can look down here, you should be able to tell that. Fog lights look like booty as well. So, fixing to get those right. Come slow. Just a little more. Oh, stop. This is very stupid. But we finna have to do it. Because if you want stuff to look better, you gotta work for it, I reckon. Like I'm gonna have to pull up the whole bumper. And it is some bull crap. Okay, yeah, that's ugly. And that's gonna have to come up. Couple of T30s right here, star bits. You'll have these two right here out in no time. And a Harbor Freight drill. Bam, that's two right there. Put it on. So I was trying to figure out what would maybe line up the best, and I'm just gonna take off this whole shield. So I got a 13 mil and I'm doing taking off 5 of them. I'm gonna take off the 6th one. So once that comes off and I get the 2 bolts, we should be good. Alright, so that's out. Got all the push pins out of this fender liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this 7mm bolt out, just right here. Alright, so we got that out. Don't lose them. Set them to the side. Should initially be able to pull off the bumper completely. Alright, this is the first go. I hope it comes right off. I'm ready to get these headlights right. That was almost scary easy. Don't do that. I'm showing y'all what not to do. Some of the harnesses. So I'm gonna do this fog light right here. I'm gonna do this one. Okay. I'm gonna do this one. Looks like that one doesn't come out. Don't let it drop like I just did. I have a feeling this one's bad. So this one right here, twist off. It goes right here in the reflector. This is the fog light. It goes right here. It just clips right in. Got the headlight out. There's 2 on top. It's torch bits. We have one right here, one 10 mil. Another 10 mil right here. And then there's one holding it. This one right here, it just plugs in like that, right? And then you take your bulb, so I got the old one. Now I know why it was so hard to find switchbacks for this car. You put it in, then you twist it. Twist it in the hole. Is it blinking?
Hit it. Straight orange.
Straight orange right now?
So it's supposed to be white, ain't it?
Supposed to be. Supposed to be, but I mean, heck, the way it's looking, I may just put it in backwards. All right, what about that?
Yes, she is.
Headlights are good.
You ain't got those in. Yeah, you good.
We good?
Yeah.
Bet. All right, cool. Last little step before I put everything back together. Take out these old fog lights. There you go. Right there. There's the old one. I guess it's either or. We'll test them out real quick. Are they working?
Yep.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Perfect. We'll wait to put on the bumper because it's starting to haze real bad on these headlights. You can see it right here. Maybe not in the video, but in person you definitely can. Now this one, the clear coat has done come off, right? Can you see it? Can you make it where it show it? You can kind of see it. Okay, so the clear coat is coming off on this headlight. More, I'm gonna fix it. Once I do that, it'll be way better. Low beams, high beams, blinker, is the fog lights on?
Yeah.
It all works. Alright, it's a new day. And we're gonna get these headlights right. This kit I got, I really don't know if it's worth the crap. But it looks like, from what it, normally I'm used to using a drill and stuff. This kit I got, it was the only one the store had. Everybody was closed for Labor Day. So the kit I got, it looks like I'll just better use a rag. So I'm gonna use the rag or the microfiber and just spread it evenly. Let it dry a little bit and then try to, I guess, buff it off. I don't know. We'll see. I'll update y'all. I'm gonna let this cure a little bit, and while I'm letting it cure, I'm gonna go ahead and probably put on the bumper. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Make sure your harnesses and stuff go back in the bumper. So, this is very finicky because I don't want to hit my headlights. Okay, so. So I just want to share all the difference because I ain't even sanded it, and I'm just probably gonna leave it. So it looks pretty good, like without sanding anything. Like same thing with that headlight. But you come over here, also look at the way that I got that set up now. Yes, sir. Ain't going nowhere. There's the other side. Totally different. So foggy looking. This side right here. That's the other side. That side's gonna look better though. If I get it right too. So I got them done. They look good to me. I'm gonna show you what the headlights look like. Low beams, high beams, left blinker, right blinker, fog lights. Much more better. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and shut everything up. I got everything tightened up. As far as I know, I'll know, I guess, if the bumper ever falls off. Yeah. Go ahead and shut the hood and probably let it cure a little bit longer on the headlights and the fog lights, but other than that, we're good. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.